Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to learn a craft work, a wall decor craft work with color papers. First, take a yellow color paper with 8 into 8 centimeters. This is 8 centimeters and this is 8 centimeters, and fold it like this. Fold like this first, then again fold like this, then again fold like this, fold like this, and draw a petal shape like this with the pencil. Then cut it with the scissors and cut it with the scissors like this. Cut the petal shape like this with the scissors. Then open it like this. We got like this. We got the flower like this. Make 4 like this. Then first take one and cut like this into the middle, and then cut like this. Then paste like this with the gum. Paste here like this. Then take another one and cut like this. Then take another one and cut like this. Cut 2 petals. Then take this one and cut this 3 petals. Cut like this. First take this and cut like this here and paste like this with the gum. Paste like this with the gum. Then take this one and cut like this here and paste like this with the gum. Then take this and cut this here. And paste like this here with gum. Paste like this. Then take this and paste this petal like this. Paste like this. Then take these 2 petals and paste like this. Then take this one petal and paste this also like a petal. Paste like this with gum. Do like this. Then take this scissors and do like this with the scissors. Do like this for all these. Then paste like this. Then take this and paste here like this. Then take this and paste like this with gum. Then take this and paste with the gum. Then take this and paste with the gum into it. Then take this and paste here with gum and put into it. do the flower like this. Then take a blue color paper, blue color circular paper with 4 centimeters. This is with 4 centimeters, and cut like this from here. Then cut this part like this and do like this, roll like this until the end. Roll like this and paste here with gum. Paste like this with gum. Do the flower like this. In the same way, do 4 flowers with the pink color and 4 flowers with the yellow color, and do 3 flowers with the blue color. Then take a piece of white paper with 8 into 20 centimeters and roll it like this from here. Roll like this, roll like this, and paste here with gum like this. Do like this. Do 12 like this. Then take a piece of cardboard sheet with 9 into 11 centimeters. This is 9 centimeters and this is 11 centimeters, and do like this. First cut these ends like this for all the rolled papers. Then paste like this with gum and paste this here, and paste this also here with gum. Paste like this with the gum and paste this like this here and here with gum. Paste like this with the gum and paste these also here with gum. Paste with gum. Paste these like this with the gum. Then turn it back side and paste these here with gum like this. Paste like this with the gum, then turn like this. Then take the flowers like this and paste here. Paste like this with gum one by one like this. Paste these flowers like this with gum. Then take this large flower, rose flower, then paste like this here at the center with gum. Do like this. Then take a piece of thread like this and paste at the back side. Paste here with the gum. Then hang this onto a wall. Hang this onto a wall like this. So dear students, do this and send in our WhatsApp group. Thank you.